Hi strangers! Today let's build Draco from this Harry Potter set. Enjoy! First I open the box and then group the pieces per color. I don't really need to group by shape because it's a small set. I like those small eyes pieces, it's really cute. Grouping pieces is done, so let's start building with instructions. And here is the Slytherin outfit. The body is done and dressed up, so now I'm adding hands on sides. Then let's start Draco Brick Headz. Face is done. Draco's hair was definitely my favorite part. I like the little wavy fringe in the front. And actually I realized I messed up. The long piece for the cape is actually at the back, at the bottom back, not the front. Ta-da! Hair done. But then I messed up again. The white piece should be at the top and not at the bottom of the foot. They're really hard to separate. So I had to look for a Lego separator tool that I had in another bigger set. And ta-da! The Lego tool worked perfectly. Finally, I give to Draco his wizard items, the broom and this magical cup. Not sure what it represents, but maybe you can let me know in the comments if you know. Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, you can like and subscribe. Bye!